Hi everyone, welcome back to the Dream Cars, your destination for the latest, boldest, and most exciting machines on four wheels. Today, we are diving into the Renault Kiger 2026, a car that dares to redefine compact SUV expectations with a sharp new look, tech-savvy features, and surprising performance under the hood. If you thought the previous Kiger was impressive, wait till you see what 2026 has brought to the table. The 2026 Renault Kiger enters the scene with a refreshed design language that blends futuristic styling with a strong road presence. At the front, it wears a sharper grille design with chrome accents, flanked by sleeker LED DRLs that now form an integrated lighting signature. The headlamps have been repositioned for a more aggressive profile, while the sculpted bumper and air dams amplify the SUV's sporty DNA. It doesn't just look good, it demands attention on the road. Move along the side, and the aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly into a bolder shoulder, supported by all-new 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels that now come in a gloss black and silver finish. The floating roof design with dual-tone options in a fresh palette of colors including solar red, urban blue, and matte steel gray add to the personality. Renault hasn't just styled it for show, it's built to match the urban lifestyle with rugged readiness. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that feels both modern and welcoming. The dashboard layout is now more driver-centric, with soft-touch materials and a floating 10.25-inch infotainment screen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The instrument cluster is fully digital, with customizable displays that give real-time information in a slick, animated format. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed with contrast stitching, and the ambient lighting feature makes nighttime drives a whole new experience. Space-wise, the Kiger 2026 continues to impress. Despite its compact footprint, there's generous legroom in the rear, improved seat cushioning, and a 405-liter boot space that's among the best in the segment. Rear AC vents, a wireless phone charger, air purifier, and multiple USB-C charging ports bring in that premium touch you wouldn't expect at this price point. Renault has clearly understood what today's young, urban buyers are looking for, and delivered it. Under the hood, Renault offers two engine options: the tried and tested 1.0-liter naturally aspirated petrol and the peppier 1.0-liter turbo petrol. But for 2026, both powertrains have been retuned for better fuel efficiency and smoother drivability. The turbo variant, especially when paired with the CVT automatic, offers a surprisingly quick and refined experience for city and highway alike. Renault claims an improved fuel economy of up to 20.5 km/L, making it one of the most efficient SUVs in its class. The suspension has been tweaked for a more balanced ride, offering better handling on curves without compromising comfort. Whether it's pothole-filled streets or smooth expressways, the Kiger soaks up bumps with ease. The steering feedback has also improved, giving drivers more confidence at higher speeds. It might be compact, but it's no lightweight when it comes to delivering a solid, stable drive. Safety remains a strong focus, and the Kiger 2026 raises the bar with 6 airbags on the top variant, ESP, Hill Start Assist, a 360-degree camera, and TPMS. Renault has also improved the build quality with better crash safety ratings expected in upcoming tests. ISO-FIX child seat mounts, rear parking sensors, and a new emergency call feature ensure both tech and peace of mind are part of the package. One of the most impressive updates is the smart integration of connected car technology. Renault Connect now offers remote vehicle tracking, geofencing, driving behavior analysis, and even voice-based commands via your phone or smartwatch. These features aren't just gimmicks, they genuinely add value in a tech-driven lifestyle where convenience is key. On the pricing front, Renault continues its strategy of delivering more for less. The 2026 Kiger is expected to start around 6.7 lakh rupees for the base model and go up to 11.2 lakh rupees for the fully loaded turbo automatic. This aggressive pricing, combined with Renault's wide service network and relatively low maintenance costs, makes the Kiger an extremely attractive package in the subcompact SUV space. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a small family, or someone looking for a stylish yet practical second car, the Kiger 2026 deserves serious consideration. It's bold without being flashy, efficient without being dull, and practical without feeling basic. Renault has found a sweet spot where affordability meets aspiration, and the result is a car that stands out in the crowd without burning a hole in your pocket. So, is the Renault Kiger 2026 the perfect city SUV? Well, it comes pretty close. With its upgraded looks, improved comfort, smarter features, and dynamic performance, it offers more than what you pay for, and that's a rare thing in today's market. If you're looking for a car that does everything just right, the Kiger might be your dream come true. That's it for today's review on the Dream Cars. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what you think of the Renault Kiger 2026. Do you see it fitting into your lifestyle? Would you pick it over the rivals? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep driving.